online shoppers. I'm going to show you how to install the Kaboom automatic toilet bowl cleaning system in your toilet. I have a brand new unit here and I'm going to put it in to my toilet and let you see just how easy it is to install them, because the thing is, the hardest you'll ever work is actually putting this into your tank. After that, cleaning a toilet is easy, and it significantly reduces the amount of times you have to go in and manually scrub your toilet. And for me, that is definitely a big check in the plus column. Now, when you buy the system, in this little box, you get 6 months supply in here. What it looks like is this unit right here and 2 packages of these cleaning tabs. I already have one set installed, so I'm just going to show you. When you look inside, you can see there's 2 little cleaning tablets in there. Now, each set of 2 cleaning tablets is supposed to last 3 months. This together inside of this box right here is a 6 month supply of keeping your toilet sparkly clean. Something else that's kind of cool is they give you a set of stickers so that you can remember when the last time was that you replaced the tablets. Now, they say it's going to last for 3 months, and for the most part it does, but to be honest, when it gets down to that tiny little nub of the tablets that's left, I usually just pop in the next 2, usually somewhere around the 2 3/4 month mark. We're going to take the toilet lid off like that. It's got a nice little clip right here, and we are going to clip it right into the toilet like that. Don't judge me for my toilet bowl. They all look like this. Who are we fooling? Here is the Kaboom automatic toilet bowl cleaner. What it's going to do is it's going to act in between for this and this. Now, this little pipe that's right here is going to come out just like this with a wiggle, and it's going to come out of here. Now, there's a little clip here, and I've got that on here as well. I'm going to take this and I'm going to connect it right in here. I don't know if you can see this little lip right here. I think I can see it. This little thing here is going to get connected to this tube right here. Now, you don't have to cut it to make it smaller if you don't want to. It just pushes in nice and easy like that. Now, this here is a little bit long, but it does have this great clip. What we're going to do is take the clip off and we're going to measure it so that it goes in here a little bit easier, just like that. I think I'm probably going to take about 3 inches off. Just a little cut with my scissors, like that. I'm going to put the clip right back inside that. Now I'm going to take this and clip it right to the side of the filler here so that the water goes where it's supposed to go. Every time I flush the toilet, the water is going to come out of the filler, go through this pipe. It's going to run through my Kaboom automatic toilet cleaner where the cleaning solution is. And then it's going to come out of this tube and down into the filler pipe, and then it's going to fill the tank. I'm going to give it a flush to see that it's working properly. Oh, look, you can see the water going already. Awesome. I can actually see it filling up inside here. It fills the chamber almost completely. Now, with every single flush, we're going to get cleaning solution go through the toilet, and you're going to have a nice sparkly clean bowl without needing to do a lot of manual scrubbing every single week. If you are looking for a really great option for cleaning your toilets a lot easier, this Kaboom automatic toilet bowl cleaner works so you don't have to. The water comes out of the fill valve, through the Kaboom unit, and then back into the fill pipe, and with every flush, you're putting Kaboom cleaning solution through your toilet, making it a lot easier for you and a lot less work for you too. That's why this guy is a family favorite at my house.